there, my name is Chidima. Are you ready to kickstart an incredible journey in data analysis? Well, listen up because we've got some incredible news for you. Grab a scholarship for our mind-blowing data analysis training program. Seriously, you don't want to let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Now picture this, a practical hands-on training that will transform you into a bona fide data analyst. Yes, you heard that right. You can become a professional data analyst with our guidance. This scholarship training has helped a whole lot of people to become professional data analysts. Just listen to students from previous batches in 2023.
My experience has been wonderful. It has been awesome. I came here to learn data analytics for my personal gain, for my personal business, and all through the lecture it has been a well-structured, a well-designed and a well-detailed hands-on experience in these computer classes in Bismarck Technologies.
It has been very wonderful, and I mean the school, the technology institution gives you everything you literally need to start a career as a data analyst, and it's been impressive so far. Thank you.
I never actually thought I would, find myself doing a course in data analysis. Or actually, what drew me to you guys was your Instagram page. I liked, the way you guys presented yourselves online was what attracted me, and then I decided to give it a shot anyway. And so far, so good. Yeah, I've learned quite a lot.
It's been very enlightening, number one. For me, this is like a big career change for me. I have never done anything in tech, and I was actually scared starting this course, thinking it was going to be something hard. But starting and till now, it's been very interesting and very enlightening, and it's been quite simple actually. So I really liked it.
Wow! Now it's your turn to become a professional data analyst. But wait, how do you secure your spot? It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Register today on our website or give us a call. Also feel free to walk into any of our physical offices in Abuja. So what are you waiting for? Time is ticking very fast. Join the next batch of scholarship on data analysis and embark on an exciting journey towards mastering a crucial digital skill. The clock is ticking. Let us make your data dreams come true. Bye.